In this video, we're going to give you a quick overview on how to use your riddle or your skeleton bucket on your mini excavator. Right, so we've got the engine running and the hydraulics are engaged. For the riddling process, you will want about 50% revs. You don't want to go crazy, but you do need some engine power just to make sure the arm will move quick enough while riddling. Then just scoop up as if you was digging up a normal trench or digging a hole, but don't overfill your bucket. You don't want the aggregates to go above the sides of the buckets. You want it to be nice and level with the sides of the buckets. Then just using your right stick, moving from side to side, just to give the arm enough shake. You don't want to rattle your brains out, you just want enough of a shake that the nice topsoil is falling through, and then you're left behind with the spoils, the turf and any large bits of rubble in your bucket. Then you can just take it off to one side, tip it out and start a nice little pile ready for muck away or for recycling or crushing or whatever you're going to do with the leftover pieces. So that's it, just a quick simple guide on how to use a riddle or a skeleton bucket.